Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple tomato sauce, also called Napolitana sauce, for pasta and some other dishes. This is everything we are going to need: pellet and chopped tomato, tomato paste, sugar, salt, onion, bay, garlic, red wine, olive or vegetable oil, black pepper, and fresh basil. And these are all of the ingredients of my version of Napoli sauce. In a hot cooking pot, put in enough olive oil. Add the onion chopped into big pieces and let it fry for a bit. Now we can add the garlic and the black pepper. Pinch of salt. Don't you worry about the quantities. As I always say, try cooking by eye, but if you have any doubt, remember all of the details are into the video description. Incorporate the pellet and chopped tomatoes and cook. After some time, when it is hot, put in the red wine. The sugar, the tomato paste, stir the mix and add the basil. Keep cooking to soften the onions and tomatoes. Once the color changes, the tomato looks darker, the onion have caramelized. Retire the pot from the heat and blend it all together. This sauce is the base of a lot of recipes, like the Parmesan cotoletta for a delicious bolognese sauce, or even to deepen it, a grated cheese sandwich, like New York style. Today I will serve my sauce with pasta. Bring the pot back to the heat. Add 1 bay leaf. Now cover the pot and cook at medium heat for about 20 minutes. Past the 20 minutes, the sauce is ready. And this is the texture we were looking for. And now we are ready to just serve and enjoy this version of the Napolitano sauce or tomato sauce.